Hey guys, this is Mr. Kapler. I'm just going to go over how to set up a presentation file type in Inventor. So on the splash screen, you can click on the presentation tab, or you can go up to File, New, and then you can go down to the presentation file format. Once we get in there, you can go ahead and you can click on the mosaic puzzle assembly file type. Alright, once you get in there, you're really just working with like your tweak components button. Alright, so you're just going to hit tweak components and you're going to start pulling all the pieces off of the assembly. So once we get in there, you're just using like these little arrows. Alright, I would try to specify certain values just to keep this relatively consistent. So if we go 5 inches up, and then let's say we want to tweak that a little bit further and just kind of like pull it off to the side just to get it out of the view. Alright, I'll go like -4 over there, and we'll go ahead and create that. And if you watch that in the time slider, you're going to see the animation like either moving forward, or we could play it in reverse so that it goes back together. And then we can continue to add consecutive pieces after that. For instance, if I were to take another piece and hit tweak components and pull that up, let's say once again like -5 inches, alright, and then tweak it out a little further just to kind of get it off of the edge of the board here. Maybe we'll go like 8.5 that time. 885, 8.5, and I believe that's a positive number. You're going to see that now added to the end of the animation. So you got the first part moving out, and then here now we have like the second part moving up, and it doesn't look like it continued to move, so let's just go ahead and do that one more time. I think I had that at 8.5 last time, and we'll accept that this time. And you'll see that second part of the animation move. So if we were to scrub the slider, you can kind of see your whole animation. So what I want you to do is keep animating each of the parts moving outside of the case. Alright, and when you get done and you have all the parts animated coming out of the case, or we can turn around and watch it moving back into the case, we're going to render out a video of that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on my publish setting, so I'm going to go up to video. I'm going to keep the setting for my current storyboard. I am going to change the resolution a little bit. So the default resolution is set to just what's on the screen size. I'm going to change that over to 1024 by 768. And we're going to render that out to the videos folder, alright, on your local computer. We're also going to change the file type over to an AVI. I'm just going to render that really quick. It's going to take a little bit of time for the video to publish. And then I want you to turn in or submit your final video. Alright, so for this project, you're going to submit just the video file. If you need to get that up on like your school YouTube channel and then share the link, that would be probably helpful. It would just help me view things a little bit. So for instance, if I were to look at my videos file, let's take a look. That one doesn't seem to be playing. Let me just check and make sure that it was done. Kind of flopped a little bit, but I'm going to need you guys to submit that video file for me. All right? Thanks.